we go.
Hey guys, Eric Sill here with Carolina Autos. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick kind of teaser slash montage video of the rally, the Midnight Oil rally that we went on all the way up over this weekend. We went up to Atlantic City and back in basically overnight, about 30 hours of driving, pretty much non-stop. Stopped in Philly, stopped in DC, did the Skyline Drive up in the Shenandoah Valley, went on the ferry from New Jersey to Delaware, did the Chesapeake Bay Bridge and tunnels, Virginia Beach, Norfolk. It was quite the experience. It was with the Blacktop Excursions guys. You've seen me on several videos and trips with those guys so far this summer. That should continue, probably through the fall and winter, and hopefully it looks like these guys are wanting to do a little bit more exciting stuff next year. So like potentially some rallies out to like Colorado or Texas, kind of cannonball style stuff. So go check them out on Facebook. Just look them up, type in Blacktop Excursions. If you can't find the link, just find me on Facebook, Eric Sill. Should be pretty easy to find. I think there's only one Eric Sill on Facebook with blonde hair, so just look me up and I can get you hooked up with them. The guy who was my co-driver on the rally, Travis, he'll probably show up in this montage. If not, he'll be in. I'm probably going to have to do 3 parts of a series to get all of the content uploaded. And since he was co-driving most of the time, I drove pretty much, I'd say probably 80% of the time, maybe even 90% of the time. He got a bunch of footage. So I'm going to try to get him to arrange a video for my channel, since he's going to be arranging videos for his channel. And I will put links and stuff to his channel and Instagram and all of that in this video. In fact, I'll probably just link the Blacktop Excursion stuff at the bottom, so hopefully you guys can see that in the description. But without further ado, here is the teaser video for the rally. There we go.
Well, make sure you do it by the books, because our friendly neighborhood female officer is watching us. In other words, BMWs, please be sure to use your turn signals this evening.
There was a bear! I saw a bear!
There was a bear?
There was a bear behind us. Damn it. Bullshit.
Oh my God. This, if you're gonna do it, this is your time for glory.
Oh God, we're just
Getting warmer. A lot warmer.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Tunnel! Tunnel.
Exhaust pops. He's taking it all in.
Yeah, that's a terrible excuse. Absolutely terrible. You should be ashamed of yourself. right now.
Oh, are they? Well, we're like downtown Philly. That's great.
DC, so I was like, oh, that's an interesting prospect.
This reminds me of the bridge in Charleston for some reason.
It's just the one song. Well, we're in a tunnel. We all know the drill. So thank you guys so much for watching and checking this all out. You guys have seen several comments that I've been doing. I've been pinning comments. I actually hit my 4,000 needed watch hours to get my channel monetized a couple of weeks ago. Now I just need to get 1,000 subscribers. So if everybody watching this video would just take the time to hit that subscribe button, I would be humbled. I'd be thankful. As soon as I get to 1,000, I'm pretty sure my channel can be reviewed. There shouldn't be any kind of weird copyright stuff because this is all original content. And then if I can start making some ad revenue, hopefully we can get this thing to a point where I can start making some income on it and start doing more interesting things, and then it just kind of builds on itself from there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you can, if you haven't already. And we will keep the cameras rolling here. Thanks, guys.